चल चल बुलिया उसी उत्थे चलिए जिथे सारे अपने चल बुलिया उसी उत्थे चलिए जिथे सारे अन्ने जिथे कोई जात ना पूछे ना कोई सानू माने चल बुलिया चल घर चल चल बुलिया चल घर चल चल बुलिया चल let me go to where they're all blind. Let me go to where they're all mine. Let me go to where they do not ask of my last name nor lineage. Let me go to where they do not know me. Let me go home. Let me go home. Let me go home. Let me go home. Home is memories of my grandmother getting lost in the Damadam Mast Kalandar of Kawali. Each midday she would sit, radio tuned, eyes closed, fingers tapping to the rag of Nusrat Fateh Ali Khan. Home is in that first fast water break sip of Ramadan. It is in my mother's arms. After months on the road, it is in the Urdu that we trade to each other on the phone. She says, "Come home, son," but also says, "Gar." Or Allah, dono dil mein rehte hain na. Home and Allah both live in your heart, my son. Home is in my sister's laugh that fills rooms to the brim. It is in my brother's cafe where we sip lattes and chew fat about money, politics and bench press gym sessions. It is in our father's lessons. Chup karke suno. Shut up and listen. It is in father's backhands that I never discussed, rather hushed. It is why I ran, for home was never safe, so I sailed seas and learned manhood through mistakes and fractured hearts. They say home is where the heart is, that's why I've left parts of my heart wherever I roam so that this world may become my home. Home is in boarding passes and Dubai airport lines. It is in that one conversation in Shanghai that saved my life and on that Ho Chi Minh City rooftop where I finally exhaled. It is in walking. It is in talking. It is in walking till feet's blisters peel and become petals. See, I was never made for one place, for I am the legacy of immigrants and warriors. I am the legacy of immigrants and warriors. I am the legacy of my grandfather's footprints across new borders. I am the legacy of daughters being considered less than sons. I am my 11-year-old father, on a boat bound for Pakistan, a land he is about to see for the very first time. I am my 19-year-old mother, adorned in gold, marrying a man she is about to see for the very first time. I am my trilingual tongue, tripping over Urdu and Punjabi. Main hi hu ghar. I am my own home. Kadi kadi nani di yaad aa jandi hai kawali di raag che chal. Chal buliya usi uthe chaliye jithe sare apne. Chal buliya usi uthe chaliye jithe sare anne. Jithe koi zaat na puche na koi sanu manne. Chal buliya chal gar chal. Chal buliya chal gar chal. Chal buliya chal. Let me go.